Sugar! Hey guys, I'm Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be swatching 11 new shades from the MAH Crayon Lip Crayon from Sugar. So they've added 11 new shades to their range. I love the MAH Crayon Lip Crayons, you guys know it. And then since they sent me the entire shade range, I was so excited to just swatch it for you guys. I couldn't wait to actually bust it open and start making this video. And it's not just exciting for me, it's going to be exciting for you guys as well, because I've partnered with Sugar to do a giveaway on this channel. So they're going to be 3 winners who are going to be winning a bunch of Sugar goodies. So you can check out the description box for all the rules, follow the rules exactly as it is, and the winners will be announced on the Sugar Instagram story. So yeah, let's get started. So the first shade is shade number 26, Vienne Rocher. I think it's from the movie Chocolat. So this is what the shade looks like. It's so beautiful. It's such a deep chocolate brown shade which suits all skin tones in my opinion. It's a dark brown shade with just like pure brown undertones to it. It has no red or anything of that sort. Next shade in number 27 is called Sunny Randall, and this is what the shade looks like. This is like a very pale peachy pink shade, and I think this would look really nice on people with light and light medium skin tones. If you are of a medium skin tone and you really like these kind of shades, I think you can definitely pull this off. And then moving on to the next shade, which is in number 28, called Honey Rider. Now this is a really bright peachy pink shade. I really love how it looks on me. I think this would flatter people up to like medium tan skin tones really well. It's so pigmented, not one bit patchy, and I really like how it looks on myself. And I think it's more of like an everyday shade, and I can definitely wear it without makeup as well. The next one is in number 29, which is called Molly Brown. I love how this shade looks like, okay? It's a little bit unique. I don't know if the camera is actually capturing this, but it has a little bit of like orange terracotta undertones to it, but it also has like a hint of pink to it, which I'm really liking. And this is again a very nice everyday shade for me. I can wear this without makeup, and I think this particular shade would flatter all skin tones. The next one I'm going to be swatching is number 30, Lillian Rose. This one is actually a very bright pink shade. It has blue undertones to it, but it also has a sort of like neon undertone to it, which is really nice. But it's not like an unwearable neon pink. It has light blue undertones to it, which makes it a little more subtle. The next shade I'm going to be swatching is in number 31, Poppy Adams. Now this is again a bright pink, but it has a lot of blue undertones to it. And this is very similar to Face's Dash of Pink Lisa Eldridge lipstick in Skyscraper Rose. I think all of this is like very similar to that. And I really love this shade. I think this is amazing for all skin tones. So the next shade is number 32, Miss Rosa. I personally just love this shade. It's like a mauvey purple kind of shade, but looks really nice on all skin tones. And I think particularly on deeper skin tones, this would be like a very nice mauvey nude shade. The next one is in number 33, Pepper Anderson. So this is like a bright orange shade that's like personally not my favorite. I don't really wear these shades on a daily basis or ever, but I like to mix these shades with other shades which are a little too subtle or where I need an orange hint to it. I like to especially mix these orange shades with a little bit of brown lipsticks and create my own custom shades. But on its own, I don't think I will be wearing this, but I know a lot of people do really like these kind of like bright orange shades. So the next shade I'm going to be swatching is 34, Cherry Aim, and I don't know if I'm even pronouncing that name correctly. Such a beautiful like orange toned red shade. I love this red. I think this is again very flattering on all skin tones, and you guys know how much I love my red lipsticks. So the next one is in number 35, Claire Redfield. Now if you find the previous one in Cherry Aims to be a little too like orange toned red shade, this one is a lot more blue based red shade. So again, it's very universally flattering, such a beautiful red, very pigmented. I'm not very sure if it's similar to their other lip crayon in Scarlet O'Hara because I don't own that one. So the last shade from this range is 36, Veronica Mars. And again, this is such a beautiful like deep red shade with a lot of brown undertones to it. You guys know how much I love these kind of reds and deep reds and all that. Again, would flatter all skin tones, especially deep skin tones like deep chocolate skin. This shade would look really nice. So that's pretty much everything. So A little bit about the packaging. This is what it comes in, the uni carton, and it's similar to most of their other lipsticks. So if by now I know every single person owns at least one Sugar lipstick, so you know, you're familiar with the uni carton. All these lipsticks are made in Germany, and these lipsticks have an expiry date for 3 years, and they retail for rupees 8.99. So Sugar lip crayons are one of my favorite lip crayons, and they're not very drying on the lips. They are pretty pigmented and very long lasting as well. So I do own 2 other shades as well, which is Baby Houseman and Claire Underwood. I love it and I wear it quite often. They come with a sharpener, which is a really good thing. I don't really like to go around looking for a sharpener that fits my lip crayon, and then if the sharpener is bad, you tend to break the lip crayon itself and ruin it, which has happened to me with the NARS lip crayon. And those are the points I want to mention. And if you're wondering how long these last, this lasts pretty well on my lips. They don't really bleed that much, and they don't really fade away that easily. They do transfer quite a lot, but don't fade away from the lips. And yeah, to sum up, I love this range, and I think a lot of people do love this as well. If you read the reviews and all that on Nykaa or on Sugar website, you can see how many people actually love this range, and it's one of the most comfortable lipsticks that I've tried out. So I don't think you guys will be disappointed with it at all. And also, don't forget to participate in the giveaway. Why miss a chance to win some amazing goodies? Do comment down below and let me know, like, what are the 3 shades you really like, something that you would recommend to your friends, and why. Just leave it in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, don't forget to follow the rules. So I'll see you guys in my next one.